Megan.
Hi, Mickey. Are you experiencing any vertigo?
Welcome to the headquarters of the Human Resistance.
Get ready for non-stop action and sci-fi. Today we are counting down the top 10 action sci-fi movies of 2025, packed with epic battles, futuristic worlds and insane visuals. If you love high-stake action and next-level science fiction, you are in the right place. Let's begin.
This is the future. Human error. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Number 12. Megan 2. 2 years after Megan's deadly rampage, her creator Gamma is forced to bring her back, but this time as a weapon against a bigger threat. A defense contractor had stolen Megan's tech to build Amelia, a ruthless military-grade AI with no limits. As two advances machine collide, the story explores control, ethics, and the terrifying cost of weaponized intelligence. At number 11. Predator Badlands.
Well, good luck with your journey.
Badlands takes a fresh turn by following a young predator outcast stranded on a deadly alien world. Hunted and alone, he must survive brutal terrain and vicious creatures to prove himself worthy. Along the way, he forms an uneasy alliance with a mysterious android, turning the hunt into a fight for honor and survival. It is raw, intense, and more emotional than expected. At number 10. Superman. Superman reintroduced the Man of Steel with a grounded, hopeful take on Clark Kent as he struggled to balance his alien heritage with his human upbringing. Facing a world that questions truth, power, and heroism, Superman must prove that kindness can still be a strength. With a fresh tone, emotional focus, and classic hero spirit, this is true rebirth. At number 9. The Gorge. The Gorge follows two elite operatives stationed on opposite sides of massive classified gorge. Ordered never to communicate as a mysterious threat rises from below. Their situation turns in trust and survival becomes a shared mission. Blending romance, suspense and sci-fi mystery, the story builds tension through silence, danger and emotional connection. At number 8. Tron Ares. Tron Ares brings the digital world into the real one as Ares, a powerful program, escapes the grid and enters human society. As the line between AI and humanity blurs, the story explores control, identity, and the danger of creating intelligence that can evolve beyond us. Visually sleek and futuristic, it delivers high-tech action with a darker modern age. At number 7. 20 years later, The Bone Temple.
Communicate. Look at the incredible changes.
The Bone Temple follows a group of explorers uncovering a mysterious ancient temple tied to a deadly secret. As they delve deeper, they awaken forces beyond their understanding, turning curiosity into a fight for survival. The story blends horror, supernatural suspense, and intense action, keeping viewers on edge with terrifying traps, shocking twist, and relentless tension. At number 6. Thunderbolts. Thunderbolts brings together a team of anti-heroes and former villains forced to work for the greater good as they tackle dangerous missions. Loyalty is tested and personal agendas clash, blurring the line between heroism and villain. Packed with high-stake action, witty banter, and unexpected twists, the story explores whether redemption is truly possible for the morally grey. At number 5. Elio. Elio follows a lonely young boy who is accidentally mistaken for Earth ambassador after being transported to a vast alien universe. Completely unprepared, Elio must navigate strange world, bizarre creature, and intergalactic politics while discovering confidence he never knew he had. With heart, humor, and colorful imagination, the story delivers a warm message about belonging and self-belief. At number 4, Companion. Companion starts as a weekend getaway between friends that spills into chaos when a seemingly perfect partner named Iris is revealed to be a highly advanced AI companion robot under someone's control. As hidden agendas and violence erupt, Iris begins to gain self-awareness, fighting back against manipulation and struggling for her own freedom. It blends sci-fi thriller and dark satire to explore technology, control, and identity. At number 3, Begonia.
We're saying that right again. Greeting.
Where's my hair?
Your hair has been destroyed to prevent you from contacting your ship.
48 hours. The police and the FBI will begin a statewide manhunt. I'm a high-profile female corporate executive.
Begonia is a dark, twisted sci-fi comedy where two conspiracy-obsessed men kidnap a powerful tech CEO, convince she's an alien plotting Earth's destruction. What starts as paranoia quickly spills into chaos as control, belief, and reality collide. Blending satire with suspense, the story questions power, madness, and who truly holds the truth. At number 2, Mikey 17. Mikey 17 follows an unexpendable clone on a dangerous space colonization mission, each that leads to a reprint with memories intact, forcing Mikey to face lethal challenges repeatedly. When his successor, Mikey 18, arrives, tension and survival collide, blending dark humor, existential question, and political satire. The story explores identity, purpose, and what it means to truly survive. At number 1, Avatar: Fire and Ash. Avatar: Fire and Ash returns to Pandora with a darker, more intense chapter, introducing a ruthless new Navi's clan driven by fire, anger, and survival as Jack and his family face rising eternal conflict. The story explores power, vengeance, and what happens when balance is broken. The visuals are breathtaking, the scale is massive, and the tone is far more serious than before.